In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a report in Expensify. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look out for, and how to confidently remove a report you no longer need. First, make sure you're logged into your Expensify account and that you're on the main dashboard. From here, we're going to navigate to your reports. Look toward the main navigation area and click on the option labeled Reports. This is where Expensify keeps a list of all your expense reports, usually sorted by date so that the most recent ones appear at the top. Once the reports page is open, take a moment to scan through the list and find the specific report you want to delete. It might help to look at the report name, the total amount, or the date it was created to be sure you've got the right one. Be careful here. Deleting a report is permanent, so you want to make sure you're not removing something you'll need later, especially if it's tied to reimbursements or company records. When you have identified the correct report, click directly on that report to open it. This will take you to the detailed view where you can see all the associated expenses, receipts, and any comments or approvals. If you're unsure, this is a great time to quickly review the contents and confirm that this is indeed the report you're ready to remove. Now, with the report open, look for a menu labeled More. This is usually located near the top of the report screen, often alongside other actions like Submit or Export. Click on More to reveal additional options for managing the report. In the drop-down or expanded menu that appears, you'll see an option labeled Delete. Go ahead and click on Delete. Expensify doesn't want you to accidentally remove something important, so it will show you a confirmation prompt. In this confirmation window, you'll be asked to confirm that you really want to delete the report. Read the message carefully to make sure you understand that this action cannot be undone. If you're absolutely sure, click Delete again to finalize the process. Once you confirm, the report will be permanently removed from your list of reports. You should no longer see it on the reports page. That's all there is to it. You've successfully deleted a report in Expensify.